Hey, if you own a pair of the great-sounding Sennheiser HD555 or HD595 headphones, you've likely run into a common problem: cracked side plastic housing right above the ear cups. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix this using a 3D printed replacement part. As you can see, the previous owner of these headphones used superglue, and that's a one-way ticket to trouble. Once you use superglue, it becomes nearly impossible to replace parts cleanly. However, I'll show you the steps to do it right, assuming you haven't ruined yours with glue yet. You can find the 3D models for these parts on Google, but if you don't have a 3D printer, feel free to reach out to me. I have a few spare replacement parts left over that I can ship to you for a fee. First, remove the ear pad and the fabric filter. Then, unscrew the two screws located on the inside. Next, unscrew the speaker housing screws. Be very careful here. The speaker driver magnet can pull the screws toward it, which could easily damage the driver. Remove the speaker housing, then unscrew the two screws holding the ear cup. Remove the plastic locking piece and gently take off the ear cup. Unscrew the small screw holding the two plastic halves together. Now, desolder the wires from the board, but make sure to take photo to remember exactly where each wire was soldered. This is where it gets tough for me because the superglue has caused so much damage. In your case, simply separate the two parts and unscrew any remaining screws you find. For me, it's more of a destructive demolition. Install your new replacement part. You might need to trim a little extra plastic for a perfect fit, though that might just be necessary for me because the glue damaged the original surface. Screw the new part onto the headband base, thread the wire through to the end, and fit the two parts together. It might not look perfect on mine because of the old glue-damaged surface, but it will be much stronger. Tighten the remaining three screws to hold everything together. Remount the ear cup and screw the locking plastic back into place. Here is the first result. No more cracks and a very sturdy construction. Ignore the green color. It's just for demo purposes since I wasn't sure if I could even fix these after the superglue mess. Now, carefully solder the wires back exactly as they were before. Reinstall the speaker housing, tighten the screws, put back the fabric filter, and snap the ear pad cushion back on. As you can see, the other side is also completely broken, but I'll replace that one later. You can print these parts in any color you like. I'm just going to paint my green parts black with some nail polish since these headphones are already in pretty rough shape. If your Sennheiser HD555 or HD595 headphones have this same defect, just find the 3D model online, print it, and save your headphones. If you don't have a printer, just message me on Instagram or Facebook. Good luck with your repair!